Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into BenefitWallet account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. Start by clicking open any web browser and go to the search box at the top and type in BenefitWallet login. From the search results, click on the first search result that you see, which will take you to this page. In order to log into your account, you'll need to enter your user ID. Once you type in your user ID correct, you can click on the login button, and on the next page, you'll need to enter your password for your account. In case you don't remember your user ID or your password, you'll be able to see a link that says Forgot User ID or Password. Click on the link, and on the next page, go ahead and enter your email address and the zip code associated with the account. Finally, click on Submit, and you'll be able to look for your user ID. Similarly, you can also look for your password in case you've forgotten your password. After you type in your credentials, click on the login button and you'll be logged into your BenefitWallet account in no time. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.